Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of trying to beat the crazed cow. I haven't beaten it yet because it's so freaking hard. It's kayak morning. Cat tornado. I'll do that later. Alright guys, let's look at this YouTuber Boogle do it. Bahama? Fine. I will bring a bahama. I'll do it right now. Let's get out of here, you trash. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Quit that. I'm gonna do this one time until we have to use our leadership. No, cat CPU, turn off, bro. I don't want you doing stuff. There he is. Oh my god. I'm gonna concentrate so I might not talk as much. No, I overspammed, I think. Oh no. I spammed too much. Shit, I spammed too much. Oh no. Look at him. You guys are gonna cause us doom! Do you hear me? Doom! There he is. So now everything possible. Let's go, Katsubi. Keep deploying, come on. Ain't got no time. CPU, what are you doing? Spam! Oh, that actually killed a lot of cows, Bahamut. Thank you, Bahamut. Oh my god. Come on. Ah. Don't die, Bahamut. Please don't. Parises. There's so many Parises. Oh my god. So much going on. So many crazed cows. Spamming a lot. You should spam too, cat CPU. Ignore the cat deploy anymore. Just keep deploying. Deploy most expensive one. Yes. Right, come on. Yes, nice. Nice. Come on, Valkyrie. Freeze him, Valkyrie. Freeze him, Valkyrie. Valkyrie, come on, do it, please. Bahamut is still alive. That's a good sign. Yes, freeze them. Nice. I'm gonna keep spamming with cows. Thank God I brought the cat CPU. At least there's a robot spamming the cats. We're doing it. Who would have thought I was worse than a robot this whole entire time? Okay, guys, and we're back. We killed all of them. Turn off cat CPU. Never mind, turn it back on. Turn it off, turn it off. We're done. Ooh, we got it. Give me that. Give me that 30. Give me that. Oh. It's always so satisfying when I get that. More satisfying than the crazed cow. Finally, we got a good rusher. We got a good rusher. This version grants area attack. Nice. Thinks quick, acts quick, and uses its head. Runs like the wind. Okay, should we try and upgrade it to giraffe? Probably not gonna be able to. Yeah, this is very expensive. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to do it. Oh, alright, I'm gonna get some XP. Hold up. Where do I get XP? Where would you get? If I was XP, where would I be? I know. Not in here, but I just want to get this. Finally, I just need crazed tank and crazed axe, and I have all of them, I think. Oh, and crazed lizard. Crazed lizard is very hard. Has good, he has some range. Also, I also got tank. Crazed tank. He is a good. Oh, there is extra stage in here. So if I wanted like 30 capital within one leadership, I could just go back there and get some. Thinking all of encampments. You know what? Let's just do this. There, I used there. I used it. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. Dang it, hold up. I should have crazed cow in this. I can just rush in and get all of them. Crazed cow, let's go. Test your might. Test your might. Test your might. Oh my god, he's so fast. Oh my god, he's like 3 times faster than a normal giraffe. Bro, what the flick? Alright, it's a head. They're not gonna be able to deal with a head. A whole head? Yeah, I can't trust you guys with that. I'm not gonna bring out true form valkyrie. It's really hard to get past. I bet it's gonna be so hard to get the true form of Bahamut. Oh, that actually went by fast. Look at him. I could get all the time scores and Into the Future too. 3. Alright, can we upgrade him now? Hope I can. Yes. There we go. Crazed giraffe. Thinks great accent and uses his head. Head bangs only to rock and roll. Crazed version grants area attack. Okay. So this was it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. There's a 2-part video, so yeah. Let's just red sky at morning. Okay guys, let's do this. How about I record Battle Cats every Friday now. So every Friday I'll make a video about Battle Cats. How's that sound? Yeah, I can't hear you through the screen, but I think it's okay. Cause there's just not a lot except for the crazed. If there's a crazed, I'll make an early episode. Alright guys, this is the end of this part 2 series. And see you guys next Friday. Bye.